Alright, we're working on the 1989 Chevrolet S10 Tahoe, and we have the transmission completely out. It'll be a core, but I'm probably going to have to take some stuff on it. I'm really not sure what to put on the new transmission. And also, we got a new flex plate installed. Here's the old one. The bolt holes are getting, pretty out of shape there. So we got a new one. Got a new one. Got that installed. Then I torqued the bolts in a crisscross pattern to 55 foot-pounds. They're also thread locked, so it's installed to correct specifications. Also, this pad here, that's the way it's got to stick out, so you can bolt your torque converter in. It would be backwards if you flipped it over, but pretty obvious this is the correct way. Although I can see accidentally installing it the wrong way, but you don't want to do that. The new ring gear on it will make it fire right up like a new one. The engine's brand new in this. The radiator's brand new. Pretty much everything. That's my custom fan. I got rid of the centrifugal fan clutch and put that in there. So even when you're idling, you're actually cooling. Torque wrench. So wow. Going by the book on it. So when this thing's complete, it's gonna run like a new truck and look like a new truck, because we also have a brand new hood coming in to replace this. I tried to get it straight and beat it with hammers, but the thing that makes it difficult is there's two pieces of metal here. So trying to straighten the outside one without removing the inside one is difficult. And I think the new one's like 157 on eBay. It'll be black primer when it comes. We also have a new bumper coming from eBay. But the lights will be LED lights, so they won't burn out. This bumper's pretty rough. Pretty well twisted up. It ain't bad. You could do it with a hammer, but considering the new one was $150 and it comes with the LED lights that won't burn out. It's going to be a tremendous upgrade for the truck. Alright, that's it from John Rudy with Rudy Racing.